Do you like my beauty more or my intelligence?
I really like this joking habit of yours.
I'm not talking to you.
That's a relief.
You won't even ask why.
No, I have full faith that whatever decision you made must be the right one. Why didn't you cook today?
I slipped and sprained something.
Slipped? Where did you slip?
I sleep on the bed, and my eyes got stuck on Netflix. Should I turn you into a chicken?
No, I'm perfectly fine being a human.
What is for dinner today?
Poison.
Okay, then eat up and sleep early. I'll be home late tonight.
Where's my birthday gift?
Do you see that red car across the road?
Wow!
I got you nail polish in that exact color.
You once told me how much you loved me. How much was it?
As much as King Shah Jahan loved Mumtaz.
Oh, really? So when I die, will you build a Taj Mahal for me too?
My dear, I have already bought a plot, but you are late. Four most difficult things in the world: putting lipstick on a mosquito, making an elephant sit in your lap, dressing a bear in clothes, making a wife understand something.